Press the bell icon for all the updates.
Hi, this is दिव्यांगना जैन aka कोशा from पृथ्वी वल्लभ and आज मैं टेली मसाला के साथ हूँ जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं and today I'm going to do a very interesting section with you which is very personal to every girl actually which is what's in your bag. So मैं अपने बैग में रोज़मर्रा में क्या क्या कैरी करती हूँ ये मैं आज आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ. So be with me. So what do we have? हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैं बहुत बोरिंग चीज़ों से स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ जैसे कि वॉलेट जो कि बहुत पुराना हो चुका है जो कि सबके पास होता है. चार्जर जो सब कैरी करते हैं. फ़ोन. I have one thing. This is Maybelline का highlighter. This is my favorite thing. It has contour, it has blush on, it has highlighter. I'm right now very obsessed with highlighters as you can see. So this is a must-have for every girl, I would say, because it's amazing. It's amazing. Every girl should have it. And right now, yeah, highlighters काफ़ी trend में है, so you should have it. Sunblock, very important, very very important. For actors, for everyone actually. This is SPF 50, so you should also buy SPF 50 because it gives you full coverage. Acha, this is very funny. I have this hot nasal spray because मेरा nose block बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. I have allergies, so I use this. This is a necessity. Earphones. Basically earphones सबके पास होते हैं but this is very important for me because I actually live with this घर पे भी बाहर भी. For me music is the most important thing to motivate myself, to energize myself whenever I'm low. I just can't live without this. So I just can't live without music basically. So this is very 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 important for me. Tissue. Chewing gum. Yeah, everyone has it. Perfumes. Everyone should have it because no one wants to smell bad. So this is my favorite right now. This is from Body Shop, Red Musk. And keys. Okay, hand cream. One more important thing. I use hand cream a lot because मेरे हाथ बहुत जल्दी रफ हो जाते हैं, चिप भी हो जाते हैं as you can see. So I use hand cream a lot. So this one is my favorite right now. It's actually it smells good. Yeah. So I'm not a very makeup person. Right now I'm wearing makeup, but generally I don't like really putting makeup all the time. So but today I'm carrying. So these are few lipsticks that I'm carrying. So this one is my favorite. This one I'm wearing it right now also. This is Matte Diva from MAC. Actually जब भी मैं इसको लगाती हूँ people just ask me all the time क्या पहना है, what is the color. So I love this. मैं शो में भी यही पहन रही हूँ पृथ्वी वल्लभ में. And after this I am like this one is my favorite. This is from L'Oreal. So this is a very party color. So this one is I think Pure Garnet from L'Oreal. It's Sonam Kapoor wala signature brand है. And this one is from MAC. This is lip gloss cum lipstick tint. And this one is again a party lipstick which is Relentlessly Red. This one is also from MAC. And what do I have? Acha, I am a big foodie. So मुझे हर 2 घंटे में भूख लगती है. So आप जब बाहर होते हो तो आप generally I carry food but when you can't carry all the time, so I have these chocolates. I love chocolates. So this is blueberry coated chocolate, dark chocolate. So this one is my favorite right now. I'm obsessed with lip balms also. So I mean, as you can see, I think I have 2 lip balms. This one is very cute and this one is organic. Like when you don't want this glossy thing on your lips just for घर के purpose से and बाहर when you don't want glossy lips and just you want to still moisturize your lips. So this one is a must-have. This is organic and strawberry flavor I think. Smells really good. Again very normal Nivea का lip balm. This one I carry. like when you eat something and when you can't really brush your teeth every time, so you have to have this, because क्या होता है ना, chewing gum हमेशा it's not enough for every time, so this one is a must have. Okay, I don't know why I'm carrying this wrapper, so kachra basically. Hand sanitizer, a must have, because again I'm very finicky this way. I need to always clean my hands like this. And I have one thing, I really want to share it with you guys, because I don't generally, I'm not a reader kind of a person, but this book is very close to me. Obviously everybody knows about Secret, everybody has read Secret. I have also read this book thousands of times. It has the power and the magic also. But I would like to say that this book is very close to my heart. I actually keep it with me all the time whenever I'm out or shooting, or I actually literally sleep with it. So this is very close to me, because for so many reasons this book has actually changed my life in some ways, and whenever I'm low or whenever I need motivation in my life, I just carry this for just that reason only, because जब भी मुझे थोड़ा low लगता है, I need motivation, so I just open it, because मैंने इसमें कुछ quotes जो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, I have highlighted actually, so I read them and I feel instant motivation. So this is very close to my hand and I had to share it with you guys. So this one. And a Chotu brush for, I think, this. As you can see, I'm obsessed with chewing gums and lip balms. So this is again one more thing I carry, and I love the flavor of it. जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती ना, I use it. So I love this. This is pan flavor, I guess. So this is my favorite. A pen for notes and this book. Okay, I have this. Like I've recently bought these liner cum kajal. Right now I'm wearing also, as you can see. Like I've put green plus blue liner mix. So I would suggest all you girls to buy actually. आजकल green और blue liner kajal का trend चल रहा है. And अब जब आप दिन में बाहर निकलते हो for your day outings, it actually brightens your face. आजकल black और brown तो सभी पहनते हैं. So try these. So yeah, and what do I have left? Rubber band. Every girl should have it. Yeah, and this one. Yeah, this is again from Maybelline. I like Maybelline stuff actually. This is Maybelline Dream Touch Blush. So this is cream based blush on, because I told you that मैं इतना makeup apply नहीं करती हूँ, तो whenever I'm not like going for a meeting or for shoot, so I just put this and it gives you instant glow. Trust me, instant glow, like that natural pinkish glow like Kareena Kapoor. So that it gives you that, and I just apply a lip balm and I'm all set to go. कुछ ज़्यादा बचा नहीं है, just this lip liner which I'm applying right now only. So that's it. Khali. I think some kachra is also there. I think my parking ka bill and some this. So it's khali now. So this is my bag segment. ये सब मैं carry करती हूँ. अगर आपको ये segment अच्छा लगा हो तो please comment below कि आप लोग अपने bags में क्या-क्या carry करते हैं, and how do you keep your bag, and for night outings, for day outings, what do you carry in your bag. And for my fans, I would like to say that हम लोग सब मिलके बहुत मेहनत करके ऐसा शो लेकर आए हैं, पृथ्वी वल्लभ. दिस इज़ नॉट अ जनरल शो, एक यूनिक शो है. हम लोग ने बहुत कोशिश की है कि हम टीवी से ऊपर थोड़ा लेवल जा सके. सो प्लीज़ वॉच द शो एंड लव द शो एंड लव कोशा. इट्स एवरी Saturday, Sunday 9:30 PM to 10:30 PM only on Sony. And please comment below if you like this session.